Today, we're diving into the MUSETEX BX6-MS6 gaming PC case, a marvel of engineering and design. This mid-tower case boasts a spacious interior compatible with a range of motherboard configurations, from standard ATX to EATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX setups. But what truly sets this case apart is its exceptional cooling performance. Equipped with 6 pre-installed 120mm RGB LED fans strategically placed on the front, top, and rear, it ensures considerable airflow, keeping even the most extreme systems cool under pressure. Adding to its appeal is the inclusion of a VGA card holder bracket, allowing for side-mounted graphics card support. But perhaps the most exciting feature is the voice control system. With this, users can effortlessly select lighting effects according to their preferences, and the illumination will synchronize with the music, creating an immersive gaming experience like no other. Whether you prefer RGB mode, flash mode, static mode, cycle mode, or single color lighting mode, it's all easily manageable via the intuitive I/O panel. Speaking of which, the top I/O panel is packed with connectivity options, including 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 2 HD audio jacks. The inclusion of tempered glass panels adds a touch of sophistication while allowing for a clear view of your components. In summary, the MUSETEX BX6-MS6 gaming PC case is a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. With its impeccable cooling capabilities, customizable RGB lighting, and thoughtful design features, it offers an unparalleled gaming experience that's sure to impress. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.